Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is coiling up for a retest of the $98,600 level, resting on the 21 EMA and steadily climbing upward. My long positions, which I opened at 102,000 when I caught the knife on the way down, are still open, long and strong. I'm proud to have weathered the storm so effectively and am ready to see these positions turn profitable soon. If Monday sees the same inflows as Friday, the breakout to $100,000 seems almost certain. But remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Speaking of inflows, let's talk Bitcoin ETF activity. As I mentioned in a previous video, Friday was an impressive day, with Bitcoin ETF inflows totaling a massive $907.3 million, nearly $1 billion in a single day. Fidelity led the charge with $357 million, followed by BlackRock at $252.3 million and ARK at $222.6 million. Now on to other news. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, is making waves again. They're targeting a $2 billion capital raise through a perpetual preferred stock offering, and it's all to buy more Bitcoin. This would expand on their 21/21 plan. Their approach involves strengthening their balance sheet by converting Class A common stock, paying cash dividends, or redeeming shares to raise the funds. However, whether they proceed depends on market conditions this quarter. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings currently sit at 446,400 Bitcoin, valued at $43.9 billion. Their dollar cost average for these purchases is 62,500, which puts them up 57.2% on their Bitcoin investment. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin strategy has been a game changer, not just for MicroStrategy, but for corporate Bitcoin adoption worldwide. This year alone, MicroStrategy purchased 257,250 Bitcoin, their biggest acquisition year to date. It's clear, Bitcoin is getting ready to make some big moves. The rest of 2025 could be monumental. Buckle up, stay sharp, and hold strong. Join our free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Like the video if you got value out of it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.